The Kuusa International Tennis Academy featured student for May 5th is Elisa Lindfors.
My name is Elisa Lindfors. I'm from Finland and I'm junior at Darlington School.
Growing up in Finland in a family of tennis players, Elisa was exposed to the sport at an early age.
I've been playing tennis like over 10 years. Since I was a kid, I can't even remember. My aunt, she's a tennis coach. I think from there, and then like all of my family members play tennis like during their free time. So I like tennis because like it's just fun to play, and when you play tennis you don't have to think about things, and it's the competition, and I like everything about it.
As a competitive player with years of experience, Elisa came to Rome with solid technique. Coach JP decided for such an advanced player more attention could be devoted to her mental game.
Tennis is a mind game at the end. When you have all your tools in place, it's a mind game. So you have to teach them how to use their mind to win. A lot of times when those players come, like Elisa, beautiful strokes, very nice sense of the whole court, then I like to help her learn how to use her environment. For example, playing in hard court is very different than playing in clay courts where she came from, so she needed to adjust a little bit. We also been working a lot on her volleys because she gets her opportunities up in the net, but then she is struggling with her first volley. She doesn't place it well. She wants to win the point with her first volley, and sometimes that is not what it needs to happen. She needs to place it very well and finish it with the next volley. So she has good technique, excellent technique in the volleys. She just needs to be more committed to it, and we work a lot on that as well.
Here on a one-year exchange, Elisa will soon return to Finland and finish high school. However, she hasn't ruled out the possibility of coming back to the U.S. in the future.
If I want to play college tennis, I'll come back here in the US and try to get a scholarship. But if I don't, then I just stay in Finland and study there, go to university.